Guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video section, I'm going to be telling you guys how to save Microsoft Word documents, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint as PDF and XPS, whichever one is relevant. We know PDF files are relevant in today's world, and the reasons why you should save, considering saving as PDF, is to avoid distortion when you are transferring from one media to another. What do I mean? When you are transferring a document, a Microsoft Word document, from a phone to a laptop, or from a laptop to a phone, from one size of laptop to another size of laptop, some of these files get distorted. You want to avoid that, and I also want you to avoid that also. Whether you want to transfer files created on Microsoft Word, on Instagram, you want people to download it from a link, you want people to fill a form, you don't want it distorted, so you want it saved as PDF instead. So this is how you do it. Please come with me to this video. You go to your browser, I'll give you a link that's where you can download the file, the software to be used for saving files as PDF and XPS. I've already downloaded it, and this is, go to the browser, to the folder, to your folder, your computer folder. Just click this, right click or double click, just click open or run as an administrator. So once you are clicked and open it, just agree to terms, to licensing terms, and then click continue. So the installation is complete. Fine, bravo. So close your browser, open your file you intend to save as PDF. Just open it. Fine, it's open. So if you send this particular file to a phone without saving as PDF, it will get distorted because it was created on a PC. And then if you also send it to another computer with a different configuration or different resolution or different size, expect this file to get distorted. So if you want to avoid this, just go to file. Since you've already installed the file, I will be putting the link in the description so that you can download it. So once you've downloaded the file, install the file, and then just open your document, click save as, and then click browse, and then go to the options. Then this is XPS document. I don't want that now, but I want to save as PDF. Just go to PDF, then click save, and then you are done. So automatically it will open the PDF file you just saved. Look at it. If you transfer this to any media, any device, on phone, whether another laptop, it will stay like this. If you want to print, if you want to send to people, like this is a job interview checklist, just send to people, let them fill the form, let them check the form where appropriate. Then this is how to do it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please just go to the link I'll be putting in the description of the video. Go to the link, open the link on your browser, download the folder or file or the software, install it, and you can be able to save any document that you created on your Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. How you can be able to save those documents as PDF. And you know what PDF means? You can print PDFs, you can send it via social media, you can send it via any platform, and it won't get distorted on any device at all. So thank you for watching this video once again. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace.